Welcome to our full moon meditation, a special time for release, purification, and embracing new beginnings. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down peacefully. As you gently close your eyes, begin to focus on your breath, letting each exhale help you relax more deeply into this moment. Now, let's visualize the full moon in the night sky, its brightness commanding yet soothing. Feel its silver light enveloping you, a purifying energy that touches every part of your being. As you breathe in this light, imagine it cleansing and renewing your energy, washing away anything that no longer serves you. Imagine those feelings, thoughts, or patterns that you're ready to let go of. See them being gently removed and dissolved by the moonlight, clearing space for new beginnings. Then, think of the moonlight like crystal clear water washing over you. It purifies your body, mind, and spirit, making you feel lighter, clearer, and open to receiving all that is good and positive. With this sense of purification, it's time to set your intentions for what you wish to bring into your life. Picture these intentions as seeds being planted in the fertile ground of your being, nurtured by the moon's energy, ready to grow and flourish. Take a moment to express gratitude for the moon's powerful cleansing and renewing energy. Thank yourself for being open to release and for making space for new growth in your life. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a few deep, grounding breaths and slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling renewed and clear, carrying the essence of the full moon's energy with you into your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May the energy of the full moon guide you towards release, renewal, and the manifestation of your deepest desires. If you enjoyed this meditation, please consider subscribing to our channel for more guided practices and insights to support your spiritual journey. Together, let's continue to explore the transformative power of meditation.